Okay. So, next sample po tayo. Find the inclination of the line passing through points 41 and negative 3, negative 3. Napakasimple po nito. Sabi natin kanina. Okay, so ito yung illustration kung gusto nyo lang makita. Okay, that is the inclination theta. Sabi natin, theta or tangent theta, lipat ko lang, is arc tangent of the slope, which is delta y over delta x. So, pipindutin lang po natin yan. So, that is arc tangent. Make sure na naka-degree mode tayo. Ito, degree. Ang nakalagay dyan is D. So, this is negative 3 minus 1 all over negative 3 minus 4. Okay, then equals lang po natin. Okay, I'm sorry. Naka-tangent lang po ako. Yan po ang sinasabi natin. It should be arc tangent. Okay, so that is 29.74 degrees. Yan po ang pagkaka-incline ng ating line with respect to the positive x-axis. Okay po? Sige po. Next po tayo. Okay, equation of line. So, marami po tayong forms ng equation ng line. Una is the general form. The general form of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Next is the intercepts form. We have two intercepts po. Now, x-intercept and y-intercept. So, it should be x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Pag sinabi natin a, it is the x-intercept, meaning to say the value of x when y is 0. Intercept of x, ibig sabihin, tumama sa x-axis. So, y is 0. And b, obviously, b is the y-intercept. The value of y when x naman po is 0. Okay? Sige. Next is the slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b, m being the slope, and b being the y-intercept. Next is the point-slope form. This is the point-slope form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times quantity x minus x sub 1. X sub 1 and y sub 1 is the coordinate of the point, and of course, m is the slope. And lastly, is the 2-point form. Ang 2-point form po natin actually is, ito rin po yun, expand lang natin sa m ng delta y over delta x. So, yan po ang ating forms of, or equation of line natin. Okay? Sige po. Parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay? So, these are parallel lines if the slope are obviously equal. Okay? Slopes are equal in parallel line. Okay? And pag perpendicular naman po, that is the negative reciprocal of each other. Or simply, ang product po ng slope natin ng perpendicular lines is, transpose mo yan dyan, cross multiply, negative 1 po ang product nila. Okay? Those are parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay? Sige po. Distance of point to a line. Okay? So, gaano kalayo ang isang point with respect to a line? So, this is point P having coordinate x, t, y, p, and this is your line having the equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. General form of the line. Okay, pag tinatanong ko po ng distance ng point to a line, nabasaran dami nun. Siyempre, ang tinutukoy doon is the shortest possible distance, which is the perpendicular distance. So, ito po ang ating formula. AXP plus BYP plus C all over plus minus square root of A squared plus B squared. Obviously, your ABC is kukunin mo sa equation mo, yung values ng ABC. And XPYP is the coordinate of the point. Sir, bakit kaya yung ilalim ay may plus minus? Simple lang po yan. It always follows the sign of B. It follows the sign of B. Sir, may negative distance pala. Ganito po yung meaning niya. Pag nag-substitute ka dito at ang nakuha mo ay negative value, ibig sabihin yung point mo with respect to the line is either nasa baba or nasa kaliwa. Pag siya naman po ay nag-positive, the point is either nasa taas or nasa kanan po with respect to the line. Yun po ang essence ng plus or minus na ito. Okay po? Sige po, try po natin itong sample na to. The equation of the gas line is 4x plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. And the factory located at 0.71 will connect to the gas perpendicularly. Find the length of the pipe required. Okay? So, napakasimple po nito. Actually, kahit hindi nyo na po illustrate, pero gusto ko lang po, this is the pipeline. Ito po ang source ng ating gas. This is the pipe, ang tubo. At yung factory mo po ay nasa coordinate 7,1. So, kukonekta ka sa tubo, sa line mo, para magkaroon ka ng gas. Siyempre, para makatipid, it should be the shortest possible distance ng pipe. So, that is the perpendicular. Tinatanong ka po ng distance. Direct sub na po yan sa ating formula. So, lagay po natin, okay, the distance is equivalent to A. Tingnan niyo po, dapat po naka-general equation to equal to 0. So, the value of A is 4. Lagay lang natin. Times XP, yung X ng point po natin ay 7. Then your B is positive 3, so that is 3. Then your Y sub P is 1, plus C is 9. Then this is positive, since positive po yung B. Square root of A is 4 squared and B is 3 squared. Equals po natin, the distance is 8. 8 positive. Ibig sabihin yung drawing ko po ay sablay. Kasi po it should be either nasa taas or nasa kanan ng linya. Pero wala pong problema. Ang mahalaga po nakuha natin yung tamang sagot, magnitude-wise, that is positive